Okay, so the Logitech MX Master 3 is released, so I thought I should buy the former version, the MX Master 2S, because it has a really great price now. So this excellent mouse from Logitech is worth buying now, I think. So I will do an unboxing here, and this mouse is will I use for a coming iPad Pro later this year, if I buy an iPad Pro, for example, and I will use it with my Linux server and my Mac. And this mouse can be connected to up to 3 devices at the same time, and also using Logitech Flow between these devices, so you can move the mouse pointer over to the other computers if you want. That is pretty nifty, but I will not use the Logitech Flow version, the feature, but I will use 3 devices connected to this and change that with a button on the bottom of the mouse. But let's start with an unboxing. Here we have a box, and the box is quite nicely packaged. You can with magnets do like this, open it like so, and Logitech also have a software called Logitech Options that you can install on Windows and Mac and use a lot of settings with all the buttons on the mouse and so. These settings are great to have, but I will probably not use those as much either, especially not with an iPad. Here is the back side of the box. So overall this box is quite nice. So let's see how to unbox this. Not as easy as with the Apple stuff, for example. But let's see if I can get into this box, like doing that. Like so. And also this mouse is has a rechargeable battery, so you can charge it with a micro USB cable, and it has a very long battery life, 70 days I think it is. So that's nice, and you can charge it for 3 minutes and get 8 hours of use, so that's also nice. The new MX Master 3 from Logitech has a USB Type-C connection instead of micro USB, so that's a drawback with this mouse, but I think it's worth it because this is half the price now compared to the new model. So here is the mouse itself in the box, and here we have the micro USB cable, as you can see. And it's quite short. I think it's 70 centimeter. So that's the charging cable, and here we have some instructions and so on, how to pair it with 3 different devices and all that. And here we have a nano USB receiver. So if you use the nano receiver, you can have it, for example, in a Windows computer or a Mac. If the Mac has USB Type A, you can use this, but this mouse can also use Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is preferable for me because I will use it with an iPad, for example, and the Mac. But you can use it with both this and Bluetooth up to 3 different devices. So that's what's in the box. And the mouse itself, then we have I will remove this sticker like that. Here we have the on-off button. Here we have the very sensitive sensor that you can use this on any surface. For example, this table, my trousers, your bed, what else? Also, even on glass, you can use this sensor. You can use this mouse on any surface really, and this mouse feels really good. I think that's very ergonomic to use this mouse. And down here you can switch between 3 different devices that you can pair to this mouse. And the scroll wheel has this precise scrolling, but you can also click down on it and have a free scrolling, if you know what I mean. So the mouse can also scroll with a free scrolling, and I will use that a lot, I think. And you also have this side scrolling wheel to scroll, for example, with video editing, that I will use a lot on the iPad later on. And here we have back and forward on the web pages, these buttons. You also have a button here that you can on this side that you can actually program with using Logitech Option software. You can, for example, hold that down while raising the volume or lowering the volume by just holding that down and do this. Pretty easy. So this mouse will be really cool to have, I think. It's a great price at the moment, so it's worth buying. Okay, that's it. Bye.